Okay guys, this is the homework check video for the worksheet 11-5. So I'm going to put worksheet. Okay, problems 1 through 16. Look, let me say, I'm working these problems without a key. So, if you guys run across a mistake that I made, feel free to let me know, because there's a chance I can make a mistake here. I'm hoping it's going to go smooth. We'll see. I'm just going to work through here pretty quick. Number 1, I got 9 plus 1 over 2 and 7 plus 1 over 2, which is going to give me a 10 over 2, which is 5, and an 8 over 2, which is 4. So I got 5 and 4 for the first one. Number 2, I got 5 plus 8 over 2, and I got 2 plus negative 2 over 2. So I'm going to get a 13 over 2, which is going to be 6.5. The second one's going to be 0 over 2, which is 0. It's a midpoint, 6.5, 0. Number 3, I got 1 plus 1 over 2, and I got negative 3 plus 4 over 2. This is going to be a 2 over 2, which is 1. This is going to be a 1 over 2, which is just 1/2. So 1 and 1/2 is going to be the midpoint, number 4. 7 plus negative 5 over 2, 2 plus 7 over 2, gives me 2 over 2, which is 1, and gives me 9 over 2, which is 4.5, 4.5. Number 5, I got negative 6 plus 10 over 2, 3 plus 3 over 2. This is going to be 4 over 2, which equals to 2. This is going to be 6 over 2, which equals to 3. 2 and 3 is our point. Number 6. 3. Hold on. Alright. Number 6. I got 3 plus negative 2 and 3 plus 3. Over 2, over 2. Not sure why I wrote those parentheses. This is going to be 1 over 2, which is just 1/2. This is going to be 6 over 2, which equals to 3. 1/2, 3. Number 6. Number 7. I got negative 1 plus negative 6 over 2. I got negative 4 plus 0 over 2. Negative 7 over 2 makes negative 3.5. And negative 4 over 2 makes negative 2. Number 8, negative 2 plus 5, 4 plus 8 over 2 over 2, 3 over 2. You can leave it as 3 over 2, or you can write it as 1 and 1/2. It's up to you. 12 over 2 makes 6. Ordered pairs into 1 and 1/2 and 6. Can you do an X's over 2 and Y's over 2? Right. What was the last one? 8. Number 9. Negative 3 plus negative 2, 4 plus 8 again, over 2. Negative 5 over 2 makes negative 2.5. 12 over 2 makes 6. Number 10, 5 plus 7 over 2, negative 6 plus negative 9 over 2. This is going to be 12 over 2, which equals 6. It's going to be negative 15 over 2, which equals negative 7.5. Number 11, 4 plus 8 over 2, 2 plus 6 over 2. 12 over 2 makes 6. Sorry, that's a 2. 6, 8 over 2 makes 4. 6 and 4. Pretty easy problems here. If you just, I'm very likely to make mistakes when they're this easy. 5 plus 3 over 2, 2 plus 10 over 2, 8 over 2 makes 4, 12 over 2 makes 6, 4 and 6 is the midpoint. 13, 12 plus 4 makes 16 over 2, which is 8. Negative 1 plus negative 11 makes negative 12 over 2, which is negative 6. 14, negative 3, plus negative 11 over 2, that's negative 14 over 2, which is negative 7. The y's, negative 1 plus 3 over 2, which is going to be 2 over 2, which is 1. Negative 7 and 1. 15. 9 and 3, sorry, doing something different again. Okay, 9 plus 6 and over 2, that's 15 over 2. 7 and 1 half, and 3 plus negative 6 over 2 is negative 3 over 2, which is negative 1 and 1 half. Alright, last problem, 16. 0 plus 8 over 2 and negative 4 plus 4 over 2. Okay, that's going to be 8 over 2 is 4. 0 over 2 is 0, so the ordered pair is going to be 4, 0 for the midpoint. Alright, check these, correct them, make sure you follow them.